It starts with a vision, an idea of change. The demand for sustainable product options are growing, and for the curious, the future is bright. In the heart of Sweden, we take care of forest owners' interests and make sure the raw material is utilized for tomorrow's products. That way, we take care from plant to pulp. But we don't stop there. For the past 20 years, we've provided innovators with sustainable solutions, and through careful design, we create future-proof product portfolios that meets the market's high demands. We manufacture world-leading tools that turns even the most ambitious visions into reality, always maintaining top precision regardless of scale or complexity. In our own circular technology platform, a cost-effective production is made where we track every step of the process, all to make sure nothing is left to chance. Finally, by leveraging our sustainability profile, your brand is filled with ecological values for a guaranteed, successful product launch. So let us continue to develop tomorrow's products from natural wood fiber, a sustainable option for you and our future generation.